Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We are going to present about Introduction, Design, and Layout MIT Application Inventor. And the members are Basri Husain, Dwi Putri, Dzaky Adi, Sekar Novaliana, Widya Rinanti, and Yenis Qoriatul. Listen carefully and hope you enjoy our presentation.
App Inventor is a software for developing Android by drag and drop. With the App Inventor, we don't need to write code or create an Android application. This app is arranged like a puzzle. This software was originally developed by Google and further developed by MIT.
Purpose: Number 1. Know the main component of App Inventor, and then number 2, using App Inventor online, and then number 3, installing App Inventor on a local computer, and then number 4, download the application that has been made. And then component. There are two main components in the Inventor application, namely the component designer and the block editor. Number 1, component designer. In the component designer, we can choose what component we will use in the application. The component we need are simply drawn in the interface. We can change the properties of this component on the far right. And then number 2, block editor. The component that we have select need to define the action of each component in the block editor. For example, what happens if a button is selected, if an image is touched, and so on. Let's see the following tutorial.
Okay, here I will explain a tutorial how to enter the MIT application and how to make a layout. So we open the Google and then we search or click the link like this, appinventor.mit.edu, and then after that we can create apps. We can click here, create apps, and then choose Google account. And this is the projects that I have tried. If we want to create a new project, we click continue, and then we click project in here and select start new project. Here we give a name for the project. For example, I will give the name Group 1 Mall. Here we cannot use space, or I use the underscore in here, and then click OK. And here I will try to create a layout. We can scroll down. And then we click layout. Here there are 5 kinds of layout. You can see it here. The first is horizontal arrangement, the second is horizontal scroll arrangement, the third table arrangement, fourth vertical arrangement, and the last vertical scroll arrangement. If we try to make a button without a layout, it cannot go sideways, but usually goes down. Like this. It cannot go sideways. So the function of the layout is as a constituent of the button. We delete this button.
Okay, continuing the explanation from Steffi. In the MIT application, there is a layout menu. In this menu, there are many options that can be used to organize the previous menu to make them neater. The available menus include horizontal arrangement, horizontal scroll arrangement, table arrangement, vertical arrangement, and vertical scroll arrangement. Well, I will explain here about the horizontal scroll arrangement. First, we drag the horizontal menu open to the screen, then enter the user interface menu and click it. After that, drag the menu button or whatever is in this menu. That is, you click this and drag into the box. This box is from the horizontal menu earlier. Then repeat this step again, and it will look like this. Okay, let's try to the vertical scroll arrangement menu. The steps are still same with the previous menu, that is horizontal scroll. And the result is like this. And this is the emulator menu, whose function is to monitor the progress of the application that you have made from your smartphone. But I happened to not connect my device to the PC, so this menu cannot be used. Okay, click cancel. And then let's try to the table menu arrangement. Okay, for this one, the operation is still same, but this menu is more flexible than the previous layout menus, because the menu can place the button vertical or horizontal as follows, like this.
That's all presentation from our group. Thank you very much. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.